Medanas, boy, Medanas. Listen, Medanas, boy, Medanas. Good morning, Medanas. It's morning now where I'm at. Good night. Depends on good afternoon, depends on where you are watching this video and what time you watch this video. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love to you guys. Thank you so much for the loyal support. God bless you. May on the store basket never empty. No show up for me. So just I giving a thanks, okay? Alright, so me I gotta talk about this. Yesterday my daughter said something to me. You know, in the kitchen where I eat dinner, right? And she said, Mommy, me just hear somebody just tell me one story a while ago and it just shocked me, you know. It shocked me so much. Me I gotta tell you what the person do. So me say, what? And she say, somebody tell me say, um, this lady have her daughter, like she come up here on her visa and she stay over and she get work and she work and send money to her daughter at Jamaica for build house. And um when she go down there, the house not there. And she been a send her picture of the house and them something there. And said this is the house, blah 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 blah. So anyways, return to her. And she said when the mother eventually go down, get through with her papers, them and stuff and go down. Um the house not down there. And the daughter send her go, I want house, I want you go there three poi man did it. And them tell her say your daughter tell me something for whatever you. And no, she said the lady she said the daughter send you over here, send me for whatever you. But me I go they must have go make she go or whatever like that. And me don't know if them tell her the story right, but this is what she tell me. Say somebody tell her. And when she go there and the man them tell her she leave and she not see that and now the lady come back up here, find woman for them, for married to and know them they up here. Me don't know if the story is true, but me how the story go if that's how the story go. Or if you not me done as if you not ever hear about it. But let me tell you something about me where me nah go do. You see, when it come on to I mean everybody different. Me raise my kids them to be trustworthy. Me love my children them. And me love them, me trust them, and me believe in them to do good. But let me tell you something. Still have to be on your P's and your Q's. No matter how much you love your children, no matter how much you think you trust them, there's still something there that you still have to be careful. You can't robot up and push mouth. And young people, I only trust my children them with money for build house. I'm not lie to you. That is something that I wouldn't do. If you would do it, that's okay, fine. Me not tell you say you not to do it. But me not do it. And it's me trust my children them. Anything me tell them to do with money, then do it. But that doesn't mean, alright, say for instance, say, oh, we carry on, you man, when we are doing video. I'm never plan to edit this video, so the yarn is not going to stay in there. Alright, so break it down now. So for instance, say, me have money and me go send it to Jamaica for build house and my daughter them down there, and my children them down there. Of course, we will send money go give them for monitor it. But at the same time, I have so many family members down in Jamaica, or even friend. Anywhere she buy the house, she have to give me the lot number and the address. Me now go just a send money to one child so consistently for build house for me. Money have to go elsewhere. Me have to pay the man them. Me now go just send money go give she alone down there all the time. Or him alone or in me putting them alone. Me I go reach out to my friend. Me I go reach out to people for go look and send me picture. Other people different from my children them. So before me think say me spend off all of my money on the house done, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to send other people there. You have to, if first of all, if me send you there and where you send me, they must see, I me I do video, me I gonna make sure say my friend or somebody in contact with my children them. Me nah go just left up me pitney them for do everything so. Me have to reach out to my auntie. On the side, me have to reach out to my friends. Them have to get involved. If me have to send them a little pocket money if you drive go there. If a country then live, them have to find the address where my data give me say the house a bill. Me nah do it. Me dana me nah do it. Me nah rub no butter upon no puss mouth. Because money is the root of all evil. And you have to be aware. You have, me not care when nobody wants to say, oh, me trust me pitney with my life with this, with that. Good luck. Good luck. Because there is no way me I go give my pitney them my bank account login. Then can go on one computer and then broke. And then go log in because me give them a password and transfer my money in a for them account or somewhere else. Send it to somebody else. Me not trust them like that. No, me not do it. Of course, me give them a bank card for God the bank draw money already. But which part me put my bank card, me not even walk up and down with the bank card when me give them. And me easily can change the password for my bank card. You can call the bank, tell them someone change the password, and change it. Me transfer money to them, me no bother give them a bank card from Zelle and them something that exists. Me Zelle the money and tell them to draw it, carry on give me. Of course me trust them. Of course me believe say they not rob me. But at the same time, you still in your back of your head, you gotta be mindful that this is human. These are human beings. And if you not plan to take heart attack, you have to protect your heart. Because it take one little slip up, one little thing for them to stray from the point. I love my children them. None of them not be dishonest to me. Me not have no proof that they are being dishonest to me. But as me say, you still gotta be aware and be smart about what you're doing. Me I go get other people involved in something like this. People when me know and trust and love me same way. Get couple more people involved. Them have a video call me days upon days when the man them a work. Me want to hear what the man them a say we a do the work. Them have to talk to me. If me there I know say me now go move until oh God them a mash up the whole stuff. Me a change off the roof so that's why I hear so much noise. No pay it no mind at the background. But I'm just saying guys, tell me what uno think. Tell me. As me say, of course people trust their children. Not everybody trust their children because children bite their parents before, so them now go just trust them. We never have that with no issue with my children them. No. Them not dishonest when it come on to things. They are going to ask. I teach them that way. But as me say, it doesn't matter. They are humans. And it take one little dot for them if you mess up. You see, sometimes peer pressure make people do things. Sometimes the hype life make people do things. So you have to be aware of what you're doing. You can't just jump out the box and say, oh, I'm children them, I'm trust them, and them now gonna do this and then not. I don't think my children them is going to trust me 100% for do it for them either. You gotta be smart, vigilant, be aware. Of course you rub butter upon puss mouth. But with so much money for build a whole entire house without getting nobody else involved, I am never would have done something like that. Me wouldn't do that. Me have to get multiple people involved. Maybe me would even get a lawyer involved. Yeah, you have to pay them money, but at the same time, unless it's like a one-room board house, then that is a different thing. But if me I talk about okay, me I build up 5, 6 bedroom house down in Jamaica from scratch, top to bottom. No, no, we not do that. Tell me if you don't think me wrong. We not do that. There's more people than me pitney have to get involved. As me say, me professional little change go give somebody else and tell them say, look out, look out on the eye and make sure say the people them not rob me pitney them are them not me pitney them I do what them for do and get what I mean? That's it. And that's it for the video. When my daughter said to me yesterday, me say me have to go do a topic on it because I want to hear what you have to say in the comment section. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me if you think say me wrong. Tell me if you would have put on all on the effort in on children to do it without getting anybody else involved. And of course, your children them can do it. Because me believe some children them can do it. But as me said before, you still got to get other people involved. Tell me if you think me wrong. Listen, man. I have seen children set up their parent life with insurance money. I have seen videos. I've seen it on the news. I have seen it. These are children that you have bring forth in your belly for 9 months. You never expect them to do it because they want money. Money is the root of all evil. And you gotta be aware. Of course, love your children. And one another thing is, I'm not talk about it. I'm not talk about it now. There's another video with me I gotta do. I want to share something with you now. Because knowledge teaches wisdom. And if you don't have any bit of understanding towards life, you know that no say, you can't rub butter pan for smooth. And sometimes people have money, but them still ready over other people's money. Yeah. And that include your children, 100%. Just like the two boy where go for kill them parents with get insurance money. Okay? So you can't say, oh, my parent would have never do that. You don't know what going in a somebody. You don't know. You can't read what inside of somebody. Even if you carry this child on the earth, you can't know what going in a their chest plate. And that is it, me have to say. Big up on a nice yourself. Enough love Madonna's, but when me hear the story, it make me feel some kind of way. I have pity too.